Good morning. Lisa's off getting her workout up. Right about there, I think. Yep, there she is. Lisa's off getting her workout on this morning. I'm just prepping the van for us to get on the road. We got another long day of driving today. Turns out that Yellowstone is going to be freezing over during the nights just about a week from now. And our van is not really equipped to deal with that in any way, shape, or form. We don't have like a heater for our hot water. We don't have very thick blankets. I just don't think that we could handle it if it got below freezing. With some of those glow rods busted actually in our van engine, it might not even start if we don't play this right. With that being said, we're gonna try to haul it to Yellowstone to try to get there before actually it starts freezing. And we're gonna try to make it to Billings today, so another 4.5 hour drive. Yeah, that is what we are up to today. Lots of driving, pretty chill morning otherwise though. Good start to the day. Had a big old bowl of oatmeal. Kitty's just hanging out in the sun. Everybody's happy.
Going down the mountain is just as bumpy as it was coming up. I am holding on to Octavius for dear life, and his claws are digging into me for dear life. But we are slowly getting down the mountain after a very lovely stay. We had some great views, we had a nice workout. I had a very cold shower, but it felt refreshing afterwards. I hate to say that people are right. Oh my gosh. Poor kitty.
Kitty's sliding around like he's at an ice rink back there. One of the really nice things about the Sprinter van is that it's so incredibly tall. Like this vehicle itself, the way we built it out, is 9'6", but a good 1.5 to 2 feet of that is just the ground clearance. So when you're going over these things, you're definitely not going to bottom out no matter how much stuff you have in your van. But that extra ground clearance makes all these bumps feel like you're about to tip over and fall over because you're so far off the ground. We haven't yet, but you know, there's still time for us to roll this thing. I think our brakes work.
Why would you say that?
The entrance is a little shady here for sure. Tip over.
We're almost out of the worst of it, kitty.
But you know, you gotta risk it to get the biscuit. That's what dispersed camping's all about.
We made it! To gravel.
We've been driving for about 4 hours now, just chugging along. We are going to try to make it all the way to Billings, Montana, and we got a couple of stops there, including one that I'm really excited about, where we're going to go pick up our new drone. I can't wait. I can't wait to play around with that thing. I can't wait for it to not be 30-mile-an-hour gust wind so we can actually use it.
We can't use the drone in this weather.
No, but someday it won't be crazy windy. We are almost out of gas. Driving through all this windy stuff has just destroyed our gas mileage, and we went from like half a tank to empty in 20-30 miles, it felt like. Almost there.
We made it.
We made it. The engine was chugging a little bit at the end there, but we did it. Ooh, that's the one. They had it. It's amazing. I'm super excited. Bam! There it is.
It's gonna up our game so much.
Yeah. This is our first really big like financial investment.
Besides the van, home and stuff.
Well, sure, but into the YouTube channel itself and into our production value.
Yay!
It feels like this is like the moment when we're taking this seriously because we're investing in it. We're trying to make it better for all of you guys watching. And it's pretty fun to fly a drone. Nice campsite. Good find, Lisa Mar.
Thanks, yeah.
Dude, this is great. River right down there. It's quiet. It's cool here. Ah, yes. We've been driving all day. All day. Since we woke up, we've been driving. So it's time for dinner. We didn't even have lunch today.
No.
Wow.
No, the presentation could be better.
What did you make?
I made a stir fry with gochujang sauce and with ground turkey, veggies, and rice.
Oh, this
and
looks
gochujang sauce. And a poorly fried egg.
All right, so we just had a lovely dinner, and it got dark immediately. It got dark so fast out here. I got to fly the drone a little bit. I'll show you that clip right now. It's so pretty out here. We got a little bit of the sunset. It's such a nice place to be. What we're gonna do now is go to bed and get up super duper early, like 5:30, 6 in the morning early, and drive all the way to Yellowstone and hope that we can secure ourselves a campsite. It's Labor Day weekend. It's gonna be super busy, so we need all the good luck that we can get. We're gonna try going into Mammoth campgrounds. Apparently it's all first come first serve. They got 85 sites and it fills up every single day. We are gonna try to be one of the first people in line to get a campsite, but I have a feeling that other people will have gotten up a lot earlier than us. It's been a super long day of driving, and we only got a couple more hours until we make it to Yellowstone, and then we can actually stay in one place for a couple nights, which is a thing that we just haven't done yet. Yeah. So, the adventure continues tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the morning. Do some squats! Very good. Whoa, big city Bozeman. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Big city Billings. Whoa. What are you making me?
My dad used to say stone soup.
Apparently stone soup tonight. Can't wait.
Hi, kitty. What do you got to tell us? So many things to say.